Productivity is essential in today's workplace. How can organizations get more done with fewer people? People who are spread across the globe in different work groups and even different companies. A high-performance workplace combines technologies, processes, and management practices to enable workers to create greater value than ever before possible, no matter where they live or where they work. ProtoSphere, the market-leading virtual collaboration environment for the enterprise, is designed to offer your high-performance workplace a higher-performance workspace. Companies use ProtoSphere's immersive 3D virtual environment to create teams and work groups both within and beyond their immediate organizations. These can be for science and research, where experts from around the world are brought together to share their latest research and use the power of 3D data visualization to understand complex problems. Opinion leader management, where physicians and other healthcare providers and policymakers gather to explore, discuss, and plan the use of new technologies for medical diagnosis and new courses of treatment. Sales, where key prospects, clients, third-party experts, and account representatives meet without leaving their offices to learn about new products and services. Project teaming, bringing together team members spread around the world or from different organizations into a single virtual workspace where they can interact as if they work just down the hall from one another. Virtual learning, where a blend of simulation learning and live instruction offer the next generation e-learning experience. ProtoSphere is a virtual immersive environment based on the Microsoft Lync unified communications platform that brings people and their content together in visually appealing 3D virtual spaces where they can talk, instant message, view and interact with presentation and media content, record notes, access the web, all at the same time from anywhere. Most virtual spaces in ProtoSphere resemble the classrooms, breakout rooms, auditoriums, atriums, trade show halls, laboratories, and other meeting places that are familiar to the business user. However, virtual spaces can also simulate environments that may be more difficult or impossible to construct in a physical environment. ProtoSphere users can walk around a virtual space that represents a rotating molecule or sit in a simulation representing a piece of expensive equipment. Users are represented in the ProtoSphere virtual environment by business-appropriate avatars. Avatars offer a sense of presence and identity which provide for a comfortable and familiar learning or collaboration experience. You're in the same space, working together virtually, even though your colleagues may in fact be on the opposite side of the world. ProtoSphere can be used to display multiple feeds of content at the same time in the same virtual space for all users to see, share, and discuss. Microsoft Office documents, presentations, graphics, and media may all be displayed on 3D surfaces in a ProtoSphere virtual environment. And ProtoSphere provides access to content in Microsoft SharePoint document repositories for central enterprise management of the information that is to be used within the virtual environment. Surveys of actual enterprise deployments of ProtoSphere have resulted in benefits that include up to 50% higher retention of training materials than with other virtual meeting tools. Content can be made persistent and easily accessible long after an initial virtual session has ended. This is not practical or possible with physical venues. Context-sensitive individual learning and help desk support can easily be integrated within a virtual environment's workflow. Multiple streams of simultaneous content allow users to collaborate without bouncing in and out of different software applications and tools. Integration with Microsoft Lync, Office, SharePoint, and SQL Server simplify enterprise deployments and eliminate information pockets and stranded content. Reduced travel and logistics costs versus physical travel budgets for training or collaboration make for a simple ROI deployment case. ProtoSphere often pays for itself with just one activity. ProtoSphere's always-on live environment brings your people and your data together seamlessly, allowing your organization to move beyond a pure broadcast model to a networked, any-to-any collaboration model. This is a much more effective way to work than going to a meeting or passing a ball. Try ProtoSphere today at no cost by signing up for our live demo environment and experience for yourself the next generation high-performance workspace.